Okay, great. Thanks for joining us. We're going to look at another trade of the day, give you some examples of how you can use ThetaTrader. Before we get started, do take a moment and look at that risk disclosure there. I'll give you just a second to look at that. The most important thing would be that when you're trading, you should be using risk capital, and that past performance is no guarantee of future results. Okay, so here I've pulled up ThetaTrader, and we're going to look at something a little bit different. How about we look at an iron condor, but instead of selling it, let's buy it. And we'll just pull up one here. For example, you could use that if you're bullish or bearish or indecisive, I guess. Basically, you're looking for a large move in one direction, and you can buy the condor. So you basically buy a set of calls and a set of puts. And we'll take a look at how that works. But of course, we can apply that to the E-mini, S&P 500, NASDAQ, or Russell. And in this case, why don't we go ahead and just look at a NASDAQ. We'll look at the October end of month. Really no rhyme or reason. I'm just kind of randomly choosing various theta trades just to illustrate the various strategies and how easily ThetaTrader can provide those and serve those up to you. So you can see the algorithm has pre-selected these expirations and strike prices, and here's what it looks like on a graph. So you're buying this call spread and you're buying this put spread, so it is a debit spread. The only way this is going to make money is if you get a sustained move either down or up, and then you'd have a chance to sell that call spread or put spread depending on which direction the market moves. So you can see here, in this case, it defaults to a quantity of 1. It always will. And you're looking to buy the spread, so it says buy. And we'll take a look here. $276, 12 3/4 points is how much this trade will cost. Perhaps you want to do 2 of these. We'll change the quantity, and you would go ahead and place that order. And that's just that simple right there. We bought 2 iron condors. And again, that would only be profitable if you get a large sustained move in one direction. Then you'd have a chance to sell the call or the put spread. All right, so just a different twist on trading condors. Typically, we would sell a condor. You might be familiar with credit spreads, but occasionally you might want to buy a condor maybe ahead of a potentially large market moving event, such as a FOMC announcement. All right, that'll do it for today. Thanks for joining us. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.